Today I have a very, very short but very important Bitcoin update for you. I'm here, I'm traveling. I went to a nice hotel. Look, there is even a fireplace. It's a very old house. It's a boutique hotel. I liked it so much, say, okay, I have to stay here. It's very late at night. I'm traveling all the day, but I wanted to give you this emergency. It's not an emergency update. There's something going on that I want to show you. And I also will give you and will tell you exactly how you can get access to a $500 free trade. So stay until the end. I will not take any of your precious time. Let's jump right into the content. So now look here. I told you on last Friday that I'm sure, I think that we will go down from Friday like it is always. You just, if you want the free money, just open a trade Friday afternoon, close it on Sunday, and you will eventually make a lot of money. You can see here, look here, 7th of February, this was here the 7th of February. Okay, we went up to 101,000. Okay, you just had to open here this short trade on Friday afternoon, and here Sunday on 9 o'clock, you just close him. So you would have shorted Bitcoin from 100, okay, what's the highest? 100,000, 120, to the lowest is 94,000, 94,000, what, 94,000, over 600. So it's more than $5,000. Imagine this. So you can see also here the nice drawing that I made. Okay, it was maybe not really good, but look if I would have made it like this. Okay, just look at this. It's almost perfect. I told you we will go down, we will go up again, we will go down again, trick everybody into a short position, and boom, on Monday we will go up. Yeah, but it was like this, but yeah, I think it's nice like this. Okay, so what are the next steps for Bitcoin right now? I think that we will come to the 100,280. You see that I have marked this weekly level already for a long time. First of all, obviously, we need to come back. Remember, I showed you yesterday the liquidation map, and we will come here to this level 99,000, 100,000, and then we have to see, this is the line in the sand, because here you can see that we had a lot of resistance here. So the 100,000 mark, it's a very, it's like a psychological level. So I think that, yeah, we need to go above this level. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing now. And you can see here, once we reach again this upward sloping channel, I think that we are off to the races. And if we manage to come here inside, then I'm sure we can even also expect new all-time highs. So yeah, look at this nice place here. I'm thinking to put some fire on it because it's a little cold. Thank you very much for watching. How can you get the $500 free trade? Just go on the link down below the video, or in my profile, wherever you see this video. There you can see $500 free trade. Go click on the link. Just register an account, deposit $100, do the task. There are some little tasks that you have to fulfill, that you have to finish, whatever, and then you will get a voucher in the reward hub, and you can open a $500 free position. You don't have to worry about, oh, if I'm losing this money, because it's free. It's a free position. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this video. I hope you understand that we are now on. And I told you this all the weekend. I told you this. On Monday we will rise. The Bitcoin price will rise. Why? Because people are expecting the quantitative easing and to finish the quantitative tightening as the Federal Reserve was announcing. So yeah, let's see Tomorrow I have a better update. I will show you more charts. I will show you some also important news. I was today traveling, so I had no much time. Remember, the money is made in my trading group. The people are really crushing it. I posted so many updates about. Tomorrow I will show you results. I will show you the trades, the signals, and the results. So if you're not in my trading group, go here down below. There's a link. There are many people making tons of money. Don't miss out on it. Go to Bybit, register the $500 free trade account, then go trade my signals, make money. And if you cannot use Bybit in your country, then use Blowfin. Blowfin is also one of the best exchange, and they give you, they have different promotions, but I think as of now they have like something as $300 deposit bonus. Take advantage of it. Take very much care of your crypto. Tomorrow I have a better update. See you. Bye. Bye.